mortgages now. How do you invest in a wobbly economy? Tim Hartzell is Chief Investment Officer at Canali Trust, where he manages more than $2 billion in assets. Great to have you with us. We appreciate it. Now, you just heard what Steve Leisman was reporting, talking about continued grim headlines on the mortgage side of things, economists ratcheting down their forecasts for growth this quarter. 71% of them think that the next move from the Fed will be a rate cut. What do you think? Right. We're still very encouraged. Even the numbers that came out Friday with the unemployment figures showed a drop in unemployment from 5.4 to 4.4. You have employers increasing wages, increasing non-farm payroll. The revisions to non-farm payroll are increasing. So we see a lot of positive coming out of Friday's number, and then even backing up to the fourth quarter GDP number that was revised. You see down in the numbers, the final sales numbers, the items that we're actually buying increased 3.7%, which took the inventories down 1%. So we have to restock. Employers are hiring people, they're paying them more wages, and they're having them work longer hours. So the bottom line is you don't buy into this sort of a more cautious or grim view of the economy overall. Would you go so far as to say you think people are wrong on housing? I mean, is there opportunity in housing right now? You have $2 billion you're putting to work. Right. Housing is going to play out. Housing, we're probably getting closer to the end of this cycle. This all started when the Federal Reserve took interest rates probably artificially too low and created an opportunity for banks to loan money too cheap, maybe to too many people. So this is just playing out on the other side. There's going to be a little bit of an issue with delinquencies and foreclosures. That'll come through. But that'll work itself out in the markets as new speculators come in and buy up that supply. All right, Tim, so if you've got a relatively sanguine view of the economy, what's your single best idea right now for investors who buy into your overall theory? Right. We're still very strong on international, and we're trying to play it various ways. First of all, the emerging markets are doing extremely well. So we look at basic material type companies like a Rio Tinto and a Caterpillar. We've also been playing it through the international REITs, international small cap value funds, and in an ETF that we can find that's international and small cap. So we're trying to play the international market in a very big way. All right. Well, Tim, thank you very much. We do appreciate Tim Hartzell joining us there. And I believe, folks, just for those of you who are keeping track, the name of the ETF he was talking about was going to be the Wisdom Tree International Small Cap Dividend Fund. Ticker on that is the DLS, also the DISVX. Two ideas there from Tim for you.